Okay, 2015 Kawasaki Concours. I have not found a video of this little trick. It's an old trick of pinning these saddlebags to where they're more secure onto the bike. And I haven't seen a video on YouTube about it. So I thought while I was out here, I could do one. I had a few things I was going to do anyhow, so over here, these are the pins that I got at Harbor Freight, and they're over in the trailer section. Now, one thing that I have seen on these articles about pinning these, nobody talks about this. What size do you need? Now, here's the thing. This has got a diameter, and I have it's a drill bit size, and the one that fits is 5/16. I hope that comes through. 5/16 right there. So I got a drill bit that fits 5/16. Now that's, I think, a very important part that I don't hear anybody talk about. So the reason is, if you got a 1/2 inch hole, which would be that big one, you drill a 1/2 inch hole and you put this through there, what's it going to do? It's going to whack, 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 wobble around. So why don't we make this tight to where it's going to stay in place forever and be good, you know, and be safe. That's what these are for, is to safely keep them from going away, because they're not cheap to rebuy. This is the spot without the saddlebag on it. Now you can see there's 2 bolts that go straight through at an angle, so you will be drilling in between there, because this is all plastic. Now on the article I seen, where'd they go? Okay. It'll be between the second and 1, 2, 3. Between the second and third rib right there is where you drill a hole. So this one will be for my left side. So I'll be drilling from this side on that. Come on. I need to polish some boogers up. But this will be for this side. Man, I didn't clean them up from that last trip. Squat down properly and it won't fall over. So that's part of drilling these, is to get between the second and third, and to get that drill bit to go in between them 2 bolts. You don't want to drill into either one of them bolts. So, is that yeah, that's the right side for this. So 5/16. This fits through that. So let me mount these saddlebags up. Okay, well, right now looks like you just hang these on without, you see I haven't got them locked in place. I've seen some guys take the Velcro and loop, when this is locked down, this is down, and take Velcro and put around through here and as extra, or a zip tie. I've seen even that done. So hopefully I won't have to do anything like that. But let me show you. Let me get down here and kneel down in the gravel for you guys. I think I'll just sit instead. Okay, if you look, here's the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And right in between there, you can see right in the middle, it'll go, should go right in between them screws. So I'm going to try to not get near this and get my camera right. And 1, 2, 3. Trying to get up towards there. That's what I'm going to try to do. So, also, I got a plastic bag up on top of the truck. I'm going to put over this area right here to keep away, to get all that crap away from the all this. The other side is pretty covered up, so I'm not worried about it. But I try to protect that area. Again, 1, 2, 3, in between second and third. I'm going to try to get away from this edge and go up. Like the guy in that article I was looking at. So, I don't have a way to hold this camera up here, so let me do the drilling and I'll get back with you. Well, can you see the aluminum right there? What I did not know is that's just plastic coated, but it's aluminum. And what I had done is I started right here. You can see I haven't gone through the other side yet. I started right here and I made my mark right there. I pulled this off, pulled my saddlebag off, and then I drilled that. I need to get it on this back side and feel some shards sticking out, so I need to get a knife and trim it. But look at all the stuff, and that's why I got my plastic bag right there to keep it out of my brake system. But let me go get a knife so I could trim that back side. That's something y'all should probably look at doing too. And then I will finish where my finger is, drilling that hole to the other side, or mark it and going on that other side. Or something. Heck. Let me get a knife first and take care of that. Okay. I put this back on and I took my drill bit and I tried to extend it as far as possible, this to keep this away from the body, keep it away from here. And this is tough to do with one hand. And I actually drilled it twice. Put it in reverse and come back out. Come on, come on. And get this crap out of the way. Now I drilled it twice because I drilled it the first time and I couldn't get my pin to go through. So I hit it a second time and it's hard doing work with one hand. Okay, see that? See how tight that's going in? This will clip over that edge like that. That's what that's going to look like on the other side. Yeah, I need to clean my bike. I got caught in the rain this last ride. Okay. See, that goes through. And you want to clip it on that other side. This is also an anti-theft device, which nowadays is very important. So now I got to work on the other side, and as you can tell, The other side is out in the sun. So let me go sit in the sun and do another one and get all baking hot and everything. I used my trusty dusty Gerber all-in-one tool. It's got a real nice serrated blade right there. Y'all see that? And that's what I was used to trim that other side that had them burrs and stuff. So that's how I clean that up. Come on, get together. So I'll put that up there where I can use it on the other side. There we go, down in there. Okay, now let me set up and get that other side. Let's do a little bit of a close-up here. Between the second and third rib. Ouch, ouch, ouch. The bottom was hitting my belly. Okay. Now, let's look at this. Okay, that's aluminum. It was coated with a plastic piece. I didn't know that. I just thought it was plastic. So, yeah, you can still see my plastic down there. You're going to have a lot of filings and crap. If you can blow this off, that'd help. Okay. Okay, that's the close-up of it. So, there you go. See all the filings down there. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, something else, guys. Don't push too far and get into your tire. Okay. Oh! Look at all that mess. You got to keep that out of your feet and stuff. Get that crap out of there. Okay. It's on that side. Nope, wrong one. It's on this side. Yeah, you can see I'm in the sun now. Oh, wrong one. I want the serrated one. Things I do for you guys, teach y'all. Stand up and do that. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, just around the hole there'll be some boogers. Gotta get them boogers off. Come on. Fairly smooth. Now, put that down there, and let's see if I can put this on one-handed. Okay, well, sit down. Okay, remember what I did on the other side? I haven't drilled that back side where my finger is, so I've got to go drill from here through and do it one-handed. Okay, put that on speed 1, slow and easy. You see how I got it on the black part, not the color? That's a colored part of the with the saddlebag. I didn't want to hurt that. So let's go. Okay. Shake that out. Run it through again. Take my pen. Run it through. Look at that. Went all the way through. So we are good. And you can see how much of it sticks out right there. Not enough to get into anything. And then you clip it like that. And you have a saddlebag protection and a anti-theft device all set up. You kind of see the angle of it matches the angle of this, but it's in there tight, so we're not going to get no rattling. That's important. Whew. So, guys, I always tell you you're going to learn something from my videos, and this is rock solid proof. Let's look at this other one. Okay. You can see it sticking through right there, and if you push hard on it, it'll lock in place like that. And that's good and tight also. Okay, so it's important to take the proper size drill bit to make that snug. This little tool you can get it at Harbor Freight, a lot of hardware stores. Very important to have. That's how you make good quality work, like what I just showed you guys right here now. So, project is done. I need to clean these things. I wished I'd known about that after I did that trip. I just didn't know. I guess I was in too much of a hurry. But anyhow, this is a great addition, and I just showed you guys how to do it. And the proper way of how to do it. So, you guys be good. Like I said, you'll learn a lot off my videos. Please like and subscribe. I need all the help I can get. But anyhow, another great video I just come up with. And so you guys have a good one. Hope you learned a lot on this. And see you in the next video.